Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hacha Blessing Ninaku. If this is your first time logging into my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and also just a reminder, there is a bell button below. If you just click on that, you will be notified whenever I post up new videos. As you can see, I'm in my Christmas PJs and I have my hot chocolate with some whipped cream. It's time to start decorating for Christmas. So it's November 26th today, and we're like 2 days away from Thanksgiving. And usually I set up early for Christmas, like early November, but for this year I decided to do it like late November, so it can be like the week of Thanksgiving. So I was actually supposed to start decorating December 1st, but next week we're gonna be so busy, and then this Thanksgiving we have 3 places to be at for this Thanksgiving, so I won't have the time to decorate December 1st, which is next week, if I actually wanted to decorate that day. And especially the fact that this year I have a whole lot of space to decorate. I'm not only decorating 1 tree but 2 trees this year. And then also next year I'll be decorating 3 trees. So I decided to just start today because why not? The weather is beautiful outside and I'm in my Christmas PJs and I have my hot chocolate. What else could stop this day, huh? Let me stop. But yeah, if you love watching videos like this, getting ideas on how to decorate your home for Christmas or your home for any other season, this is the right channel for you. So without further ado, let me stop talking and let's get started with the decoration video.